Welcome to ChocoColor. Are you ready to have fun?
Hi, little friends. Today, we're going to draw and color a cute little piggy together. Are you ready to have fun? Now, I'm drawing the eyebrows. And now, I'm drawing the eye of the piggy. Look at this. And also don't forget the other eye. Now I'm drawing the nose of the piggy. And also the two little dots in the middle. Now, let's draw the body and the feet. Just like that. Wow, you did a good job. Now, I'm drawing the mouth. Look at that smile. Don't forget, the last thing is the tail. And now, we start with the magic color. And before that, don't forget to subscribe and like.
Pink.
My favorite color for this cute pet is pink. What is your favorite color?
Red. Pink.
Stay with us while we finish to color the body with this fancy paint. Did you know the pig have a super send-off smell? And they can find food as deep as 3 feet underground.
Let's create a colorful world that's truly great. ChocoColor's a place to be. Rainbow sleighs glide through the sky. Snowman wears scarves of every dye. Color and laugh and have some fun. Holidays are for everyone. ChocoColor brings joy Let's paint the world in our own way.
Yay, you did a good job. See you next video. Bye bye.